We might love our pets, but sometimes we kind of hate their habits. Today's question for our pet vet on call comes from Peggy. She asks, why does our dog eat dog cat poop, and is there a way to get her to quit?
Well, two things come to my mind right away. One of them is poor nutrition, not the best of quality. And even though she might get 2 big bowls of food a day and her stomach gets full, if the ingredients are lacking and the metabolic needs are not met, that dog is still starving and craving and wanting things. So they might be looking for something else to eat. And you do, as gross as it sounds, get a little bit of nutrition, a little value from poop, because not everything goes through your body completely digested. The other thing is a bad habit. It's kind of like kids that eat their boogers. They acquire a taste and just love it. So there is a supplement you can put in their food that makes their poop taste so bad that they quit. But if that doesn't work, an easy way to fix that is a basket muzzle. A basket muzzle allows them to bark and pant and drink water. They just can't bite or eat poop.
Wow, yeah, that's the information. Thanks for the question, Peggy. We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, all you have to do is send it to Petvet, KOAMTV.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this adult male Great Pyrenees mix. His name is Clint. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have this young male cat, a domestic short hair named Squash. I guess it's kind of squash colored. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?